Разбудил старушку!
If I was attracted by the puppets and the dolls to come to this museum, somehow I have gravitated towards the chest of money. Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to another edition of Borders on Budgets. On this episode, we are at the Dom Kukol, the House of Puppets in Petrozavodsk, Russia.
Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to this pack of matches, and thank you very much for tuning in.
Seems like this should be on the Blair Witch.
Next episode. Well, a reminder, Borders on Budgets.
Sluzhevno pomets N-E. I don't know what that means in Russian, but I was told the magic of puppet making occurs back here. Maria said, mind the mess, although I then quipped, clutter is a sign of geniusness.
She is making the spirits of the house. In Russian it's domovoy. It's some kind of tradition in Russia to collect puppets or dolls. And some people think that it's very nice to keep in house the spirit of the house. Not just the spirit, but the puppet of the spirit.
Yes, she is doing something. Holding is doing something.
Yeah, we live in Karelia and we don't have here much of bright colors. That's why people prefer to buy bright puppets. It will be the body of the angel.
7.
Angels. I like to do angels most of all.
And why is that?
Angel is a very light symbol. It's very easy to do this puppet. I don't know why. I have different types of angels. The little one, the sleeping angel. It will be the sleeping angel.
This is a Baba Yaga, and it is a traditional Karelian puppet. Maria says, though, that she doesn't just concentrate on traditional puppets, but has her own style.
I cannot say that these are traditional puppets. That's my office of puppets. I invented them myself, and I do them myself. It's not a traditional. It's my way.
А третий зал, если пройдете еще дальше, я вам очень советую его посетить. Там сейчас проходит выставка.
It's in the Room of Spirits, where tours at Dom Kukol begin.
Ездили, то у него очень много интересных арт-объектов, расположенных по всему городу. Например, на нашем театре кукол.
Spirits of Karelia. So here we explain about our Russian mythology. And there are many interesting characters here. Each of them has his own story. So they are made of very simple materials, natural materials. That's why it's very actual today.
Соответственно, несложно догадаться, из чего сделана его голова.
Правильно, вот сюда вставлялись ноги, здесь были ручки, это кукольный живот, в ногах ноги, в руках руки, глазки.
Тихонько порог.
It's some kind of tradition because people made puppets not only for children, for adults also. There were puppets for marriage, for example, or maybe for illness, even for death.
Behind this glass case are dozens of traditional Karelian puppets. Maria says that each one has their own story, and she will distinctly talk about lovebirds.
They are married. They are red. Why? Because many years ago in Russia, wedding dress was red. And plus they have one common head, arm. And we cannot separate them or divide them. It means that this couple always will be unseparated. Здравствуйте.
for all the questions that I asked of Maria about puppets and this museum. Admittedly, I'm still curious as to how much is in the money chest. So if this handful represents, oh, say, a quarter or 50 cents, I'll let you algebra experts calculate what's in the chest. This has been another edition of Borders on Budgets. A reminder, Borders on Budgets, long distance hikes, slices of life, not a lot of money. From Dom Kukol in Petrozavodsk, Russia, thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode.
Ooh! Tunnel! It's a tunnel! Oh, how neat! Woo, woo!
When I inquired at the Tourist Information Center as to what exactly will set Petrozavodsk apart, especially from other Russian towns, the counter assistants, after about a moment of pensive thought, turned to me and said, This is what's going to set Petrozavodsk apart. Contemporary art at its finest, Tractor Kramar is what it is. A combination of a tractor and a mosquito. Apparently I have traveled here at the right time, because in the Karelia Oblast during the summer months, these insects are quite monstrous. Did you like this episode from Dom Kukol? Great. Help Borders on Budgets grow. Hit the subscribe button below. And yes, please watch some of the earlier videos, and I'm going to leave a link under the playlist called Toys, Games, and Sports.